Another day, another recording, another way, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be going over dictionaries, right? So I'm pretty much gonna read this summary. Okay, so in this chapter you learned how to define a dictionary and how to work with the information stored in the dictionary. You've learned how to access and modify individual elements in a dictionary, how to look through all of the information in a dictionary. You learned to look through a dictionary's key value pairs, its keys and its values. You also learn how to nest multiple dictionaries that nest lists in a dictionary, nest a dictionary inside a dictionary. In the next chapter you learn about while loops and how to accept input from people who are using your programs. This will be an exciting chapter because you'll learn how to make all of your programs and your active field be able to respond to your user input. Alright, so chapter 6. Right, so in chapter 6, you've got dictionaries, right? In chapter 6. So create a dictionary representing alien with color and points attributes. Alien underscore zero equals, so you got dictionary here. So color green points 5. So print the value associated with the color key. Print alien underscore zero key. Print alien underscore 0 points. News points underscore points equals alien underscore 0 points. Print f string just print new points. So you can see here, for new points, it varies. It's not fixed. It just varies. Print alien underscore 0. So print the value associated with the color key. So this is what you've got here. Then print the value associated with the points key. Print alien underscore 0 points. Store the value of the points key in a variable called new points. New points equals alien underscore points. Print a message showing how many points you earned. Print f string, you've just earned new points. So you got an f string here, and then within that f string, within the curly brackets, you got new points. Print the current state of the alien underscore 0 dictionary. Print alien underscore 0. Add a new key value pair for the alien's x coordinate position. Alien underscore 0 x underscore position equals 0. Add a new key value pair for the alien's y, y coordinate position. Alien underscore 0 y position equals 0. Print the updated dictionary to show the new added position information. Print alien underscore 0. Create an empty dictionary to store information about alien underscore equals empty brackets. Add a key value pair for the alien's color. Alien underscore 0 color equals green. So add a key value pair for the alien's points. Alien underscore 0 points equals 5. Print the dictionary to show its current context. So print a string alien dictionary, and then we've got a white space that takes everything within it to the next line. Then print alien underscore 0. So you pretty much so you've got dictionaries here. So that's what we have. We've got a dictionary workings. A dictionary workings here. So that's what we've got here. So Python alien.py. So as you can see here, you got your dictionary green, and 5 just earn 5 points, and then print the current color of the alien, which is this f string. Change the value associated with the color key. For f string, then you got alien underscore 0 color. Then change the value associated with the color key. Dictionary string. So you've got a dictionary which is color equals yellow within square brackets. print the updated color of the alien, print f string. The alien is now, alien underscore zero, right? Underscore zero, right? Color dot, within you got a white space, then that white space takes over to the next. They'll create a dictionary to store the alien's position and speed. Alien underscore zero, so X position, zero, Y position, 25 speed fast. Then print the original horizontal position of the alien, print F string, alien underscore zero, X position, move the alien to the right, determine how far to move the alien based on its current speed. So you can if all so you got a chain block, right? If else, right? If else, right? If alien underscore zero speed is strictly equal operator slow, x increment by one, else if alien underscore zero speed equal strict equal operator medium, x increment by two, and then this must be first alien, x increment equals 3, then the new position of the alien, f string, and then you got dictionary, you got dictionary here, variable dictionary, then you got print out, then delete the points key value pair from the dictionary, right? And then you got a whole print out. So this actually prints out everything. So print the updated dictionary after deletion. So the updated one, then you got a for loop. So for aliens, print alien. Then you got aliens equals. So you got an empty list. It's empty list. The reason why it's empty is because we don't want like a fixed value. We want updated values, right? So we want the updated dictionary to be printed out here. It won't be possible if values had been added here. Got a for loop alien number in range 30. The new alien equals color green points 5 speed slow. Aliens dot amend new alien. Then alien underscore zero, color green speed slow, and then print point value. So as you can see here, what we're working with is printed out here. So that's what you've got. So that's what we have. You know, right? So we've got a dictionary here. So in this dictionary, right? Let me actually use ChatGPT for this. You know, ChatGPT for this here. Right? So look through only keys. So key gives all the names of the dictionary, capitalize the first letter of each name, then look through key value change. So this is actually ChatGPT, right? That is accessing Sarah directly from the dictionary. That's how it makes C to C. And then, print screen for everyone. If the person is in French, it prints a personalized message and then checking if someone's not in the dictionary. Membership test with not in, and then sorted arranged names alphabetically, listing all matched languages. So That's what we've got. So we've got a dictionary. So dictionary's got key values. So to the left of the colon, got keys. Then to the right of the colon, got a Python. So it's got Python. So that's what you have here. So loop through all the key names in the dictionary. For loop name in favorite languages. Dot keys. So print each name with the first letter capitalized. Print name. Dot title. Loop through each key value pair in the dictionary. Then for name language in favorite languages. Dot items. Print f string. Name. Dot title. So what this does is it takes the languages, right? So it's gonna take the names, it's gonna take the values, and then it's gonna put in title form. So the first letters for the, you know, computing language got like it's got Python, C. So it's pretty much got languages. That's what it has, right? So you pretty much, it's got languages: Python, C, Rust, Python. First letters, can be capitals. So, favorite language is language that title. Access Sarah's favorite language, capitalize the first letter. Language equals favorite language, Sarah the title. And also, yeah, language equals favorite language, Sarah the title. Then prints F string, Sarah's favorite language is language. And then friends equals full, slash Sarah. Print a formatted message showing Sarah's favorite language. List of friends equals full slash Sarah. Loop through all the names in the dictionary. For loop name in favorite languages. Dot keys. Print if strings. Hi name the title, and then if loop through all the name in the dictionary. So if the person's in the friends list, print a personalized message. If statement name in friends. So language equals favorite languages name dot title. You know what I mean? So print F string. You got a white space tab. So what this does is it takes everything in the F strings and moves to the right. So that's what it does. So obviously, what this method does is it takes all the names and then makes all the first letters in names to capital letters. That's what it does in the F string, right? That's what it does. And then yeah, I see you love. I see you love. Oh, this is romantic now. Okay, language. Then yeah, persons in the friends list. Bring a personalized message. Check if Aaron is not one of the keys names in the dictionary. If Aaron's not in favorite languages, print Aaron. Please take your poll. Look through all the names dictionaries. In the dictionary, sort alphabetically. So we got a for loop name sorted favorite languages. Print a thank you message for each person. F string, print a message before listing languages. F string, we got a string here. White space, takes it to the next line. Loop through all the values in the dictionary. For loop, print language that title. For language and set favorite languages that values. Got a dictionary called favorite languages, dictionary Python, Python slash Rust, C, Rust Go, Python High School. For name, languages and favorite language the items, print white space. So this is going to take everything to the next line. Name that title favorite languages are. For languages, print. So So take everything to the next line. Print language that title. So that's what it does, man. So yeah. So you got this. So no point value assigned. So no point values assigned. So you've also got another dictionary, uses Einstein. So you got key values here, then Mercury key values here as well. For loop username, user info, and users dot items. Print what this white space does is takes everything, takes to the next line, username, colon, then username. Then you got full name here. So user info first, and then user info last, and then location. So let me print this out the terminal first. So, so it's going to be many users at py. Right, so for loop username, user info, and users dot items. So your full name, user info first, user info last. So location, user info location. So you got a white tab, white space. So what it does is it takes everything and it moves to the right. So this tab white space takes everything to the right. So that's what it does. So as you can see here, full name, location, all of this has been taken to the right here. Whereas this print out username Einstein, right, has been printed over to the next line. So the username is supposed to be here, but due to it having a white space that prints everything to the next line, it ends up printing over here. Right, so that's what it does. So yeah, the prints. So that's what we've got here, and then full name and location. You know, it takes everything, it tabs everything to the right. So as you can see, everything has been tabbed to the right in this terminal. Then yeah, that's what we've got here. In pizza, in this case, I'm going to debug this one. I'm going to debug this. I'm going to debug this code block. Right. So run and debug. Okay. Come on now. Come on, debug. Do. Get up now. Yeah, yeah. I'm joking now. I'm not seeing Michael Jackson. Okay. So yeah, it's just I'm just waiting now. Okay. So information about pizza being ordered pizza. So you got a dictionary here. So come on now, man. Right. So yeah, this is what you've got here. So I'm just waiting for everything to configure. Right. That's what I'm waiting for. Everything to configure. So yeah, come on now. So you got pizza now. So you're working out on a local. From our local. So we got like a global, which is on our Git repository. But for now, we're going to be working on our local. So you got pizza, you got a dictionary, crust thick. So we've got key value. So a key is everything to the left of the colon, then a value is everything to the right of the colon. So we've got key value. So you've got crust thick. So this is what you've got here. So you got dictionary, crust thick, toppings, mushrooms, extra cheese, right? So then you're gonna summarize the folder. So you're gonna step over to print. You order a pizza crust, pizza. So this is like an F string. So what an F string does, puts everything together while simultaneously putting spacing in between each and everything that you've got here with the following toppings. Then you got for loop topping and pizza toppings. Then you got print F strings, tabs. You got a white space here. So what this does is it takes everything takes to the right here. So that's what it does. You know. So that's what it does here. You know what I mean? So that's what it does. You know what I mean? So that's what you've got here. So for topping pizza toppings, print F string. So this white space takes toppings to the right. That's what it does. Step over to there and see the value there. See the value here. Step over. Toppings equal to mushrooms. So that's what you've seen. So that's what you see here. So as you can see, I just stepped over to my next value. Right, so let me stop the debugger here. Go back and run this on my terminal. So let me run this on my terminal. So you know. So yeah, so here's the values being printed out, in the terminal. You know what I mean? So there's the values being printed out in the terminal, and then yeah. So, so users, so you got users here, then you got dictionary here. So you got users dictionary, and then you got a for loop print if string, right? Username, then full name if string. So what happens is you got a full name. It prints out the full name, Albert, then Lars Einstein. So that's what it does. So if so what this so you got a variable here, then you got an F string. What F string does is takes first and last, puts it together, but whilst simultaneously creating spaces in between here. You know what I mean? So you got an F string location equals user underscore info location, then print F string, then white space to the right, full name dot title. So the first letter is gonna be in capitals. Same thing here. And then you got user underscore zero dictionary username affirm me first Enrico lost Fermi. And then same thing here, you got a for loop, you know, keys value in for loop key value in users underscore zero dot items. And then you got your empty method here. You got empty brackets here. So what this does is it makes sure that you don't have a fixed value. So whenever you work in dictionaries, the value isn't fixed. You know what I mean? So you got a print here, if string. You know what I mean? So you got if string, and then what this white space does, it takes everything and moves it over to the next line. And then you got print f, then you got an f string called value with values, and then colons, curly brackets, value, and then yeah. I mean, what else do you want from me? So users, so that's what you've got. You know what I mean? You. Okay, so I'm pushing everything to my Git repository. That's what I'm doing. Pushing everything to my Git. You know what I mean? I'm just pushing everything like my Git repository, and then I got key values. So everything that you see here, dictionary, for loops, to loop everything over and over, typings, you know, my username, you know, to next line. As you can see here, this has been taken to the next line. Then these two printouts have been printed to the right. Same thing here. And then your key values, username, Fermi, key first, Enrico. I mean, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I had to like discuss, what I pretty much had to go over. So that's it. So yeah. So, so I was just going over dictionaries. That's what I was going over. So, thank you very much. Take care, Lord bless. And my navigator for this video was Lethabo. I was supposed to say at first at the start, but never too late. So, guys, say hello to Lethabo. He's my navigator, and yeah, it's Lethabo. Say hello to him, and yes. And he also gave me some of his files to go over the stuff. So yeah, take care, Lord bless, and thank you.